everyone, my name is Avika Shukla. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of class 4th science, food our basic need. What is food? Food are the substances which gives us energy for doing activities like playing, talking, working, etc. Food also helps us to grow. Where does food comes from? Food comes from plants and animals. For example, we get milk and honey, eggs, meat from animals, and we get fruits and vegetables from plants. What does food contain? Right! Food contains nutrients. Nutrients are the substances in food which helps us to grow and gives us energy. There are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Let's learn about them in detail. Carbohydrates. Food that gives us energy are called carbohydrates. Energy giving food are called carbohydrates. Some examples of carbohydrates are potatoes, rice, bread and honey. People who do lots of physical work such as laborers, farmers and sports persons need a lot of carbohydrates. Proteins. Bodybuilding foods are called proteins. Some examples of proteins are milk, cheese, pulses, egg and fish. They are needed for growth and repair of our body and also for building muscles. Fats. Food that gives us a lot of energy are called fats. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Some examples of fats are chocolate, burger, pizza, donuts, cake, etc. They are used by our body as fuels. Vitamins and minerals. They protect us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. They are called protective food. There are different types of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. The different types of minerals are potassium, iodine, sodium, calcium, iron, etc. Vitamin A. Vitamin A improves eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. Some examples of vitamin A are carrot, sweet potato, pumpkin, etc. Vitamin B complex. It is called vitamin B complex because it is further divided into vitamin B complex 1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3 and so on. Vitamin B complex is needed for various functions of our body. Some examples of vitamin B complex are banana, peas, tomatoes, etc. vitamin C. Vitamin C helps us to fight infections and it keeps our gums and teeth healthy. Some examples of vitamin C are lemon, papaya, and orange. Vitamin D. Vitamin D makes our bones and muscles strong. We get vitamin D from sunlight, mushroom, milk, etc. Vitamin E. It protects our cells from damage. It is an antioxidant. And some examples of vitamin E are pomegranate, mango, and spinach, etc. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a group of vitamins that the body needs for blood clotting, helping wounds to heal. It prevents bleeding. Some examples of vitamin K are soya bean, broccoli, spinach. Potassium. It helps our nerves to function and muscles to contract. It helps your heartbeat to stay regular. For example, banana, potato, and dates. Iodine. The body needs iodine to make thyroid hormones. These hormones are necessary for all the cells in our body to work properly. Some examples of iodine are fish, meat, prawns, yogurt, cheese. Sodium. It is involved in regulating blood pressure and blood volume. It helps our muscles and nerves to work properly. Some examples of sodium are salt, pickled cucumber, roasted sunflower seeds, and etc. Calcium. The body needs calcium to maintain strong bones. Some examples of calcium are milk, cheese, spinach, etc. Iron. It helps in the formation of blood. It forms structural part of hemoglobin. Some examples of iron are nuts, tofu, beans. Roughage or dietary fiber. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber or roughage. Some examples of dietary fiber are pasta, barn, brown rice, etc. They help in removing waste material from our body. Water. Our body needs water for all its functions. Most food items Preservation of food. Preservation of food prevents it from getting spoiled. There are a number of ways through which we can preserve food. Drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. Over here we can see raisins. We get raisins by the process of drying. In this process we remove water content of the food. In this picture we can see the process of pickling. In the process of pickling, we mix fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. In this picture, we can see the process of refrigerating. In this process, we keep food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. In the following picture, we can see the process of deep freezing. In this process, we keep food in freezer to preserve it for a longer time. This is the picture of deep freezing. In the following picture, we can see the process of canning. In this process, we store food in cans. And finally, in this picture, we can see the process of bottling. In the following process, we store food in bottles to preserve them. Rest. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. School children need 9 to 11 hours of sleep for proper functioning of their body. Lack of sleep may result in proper functioning of body organs. Posture. Posture refers to body position. It is important for us to keep our back straight while sitting or standing. Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints and muscles. Exercise. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Yoga is an ancient method of exercise practiced in India. It also helps in keeping our body fit.
Thank you. To watch more videos like this, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon now.